Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox admin on mobile. To gain administrative powers, you must either own the game or be granted permissions by the game owner. It's important to understand that there isn't a universal admin for every game on Roblox. Admin access is always specific to a particular experience. We'll explore the two primary methods to achieve this, ensuring you understand the 100% legitimate ways to gain control. The most straightforward and 100% guaranteed method to get admin on Roblox Mobile is by creating your very own game. When you are the owner of an experience, you automatically have complete administrative control over it. This means you can implement any admin commands or systems you desire. You'll typically use Roblox Studio on a desktop computer to build and publish your game, then access it on your mobile device with full privileges. Another legitimate way to gain admin on Roblox Mobile is by being granted permissions from a game owner. If a friend or another player owns a game, they can add your username to their admin script, giving you access to commands. Some games also offer admin game passes for purchase, which provide a set of specific commands. Remember, these permissions are entirely at the discretion of the game's creator and are specific to their game. In summary, obtaining admin on Roblox Mobile is solely achieved through two legitimate avenues, either by owning your own game or by being explicitly granted administrative permissions by a game owner. There are no shortcuts, third-party applications, or hacks that will provide universal admin access across different games. Always prioritize creating your own unique experiences or collaborating with trusted friends who own games to enjoy administrative control responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.